好，2015年嘅 Paper 2B 係6B 繼續 M&A Limited， 咁咧就佢咧就有少少計劃嘅，咁佢個計劃咧就記得計劃咧就係想 increase the number of distribution channel 啦，咁就開5間嘅零售鋪頭喺香港唔同嘅區就係賣佢啲手袋啦。咁咧就個 finance manager 就喂唔得喎，你 set up new store 要 additional funds 喎，咁點算啊？咁佢就話而家間公司咧就 heavily in debt， 佢即係話個借貸好多啦咁樣，咁咧就話 propose 咧你就要 raise fund 咧就 from new shareholders，OK，咁係啦，佢就話呢個 accounting ratio 咧可以俾你睇到嗰個公司嗰個嘅負債比率嘅，咁啊我哋學過其實得一類嘅啫，嗰隻叫 solvency ratio， 咁 solvency ratio 俾得一隻咧就叫 gearing ratio， 咁所以你記得 gearing ratio 咧，咁其實就執到個1分啦 ，OK 1分 gearing ratio。咁另外再就寫 definition 啦，或者叫解釋啦，咁個 definition 就係 gearing ratio 就 measure proportion 啦，好重要 proportion of 嗰個 long term borrowed fund， 即係其實 long term debts 啦，簡言之就係、是。咁咧就或者個 long term liability 啦，咁就 to 個 total equity 嘅咁樣。係啦，咁呢個咧就其中一個寫法啦，咁呢個其實都出過㗎啦，之前 gearing ratio 問嗰個 measurement，咁就 long term borrowed fund 即係就 long term liability 啦，咁 to 嗰個 total equity 咁樣。咁就如果你唔寫呢個咧，我反而就建議大家寫邊一個咧？寫呢個我覺得都 OK 嘅。咁就 measure the ability of firm to meet its long-term liability。咁但係好重要咧，我都放大呢個字寫多一次咧，就係 long-term liability。係一定要你點去 meet 啦，或者 repay 啦。OK。咁嗰啲咧就唔計 short term 嘅，就唔好搞錯咗。OK， 就唔好計 short term。咁啊。記得咧就都唔好寫咩 overall repayment 嗰啲都錯，咁唔知有啲textbook 咧會寫得唔知點解話計埋 short term， 咁記得唔關事，淨係計 long term liability， 還到 long term liability 啫。咁又或者你可以寫leverage 啦 ，OK， 咁啊 leverage 個字都大家都可以，即係個槓桿 leverage ratio。咁因為都有啲之前都有試過啲 marketing scheme 嘅 leverage 個字嘅。係啦，咁所以呢度大家就留意翻嗰個嘅 measure 緊嘅部分係啲咩嘢？